Namaskar and welcome to Public Forum. I am Charu Karthikeyan. In this edition of Public Forum, we'll be talking about the Prevention of Communal Violence Bill, a bill that has been a bone of contention between the government and the opposition for a very long time now, due to which the original provisions of the bill were also watered down. So the present state, the bill was initially introduced in 2005, and as things stand now, this bill looks drastically different from the bill that was the original draft, that was a part of the original draft in 2005. Yet there is still a lot of disagreement between the Treasury as well as the opposition benches as far as the Lok Sabha is concerned. Even outside the Parliament, today the bill made a lot of headlines when BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Mr. Narendra Modi wrote a letter to Dr. Manmohan Singh opposing several facets of this bill. Essentially, the controversy over this bill has been on 2 points. One is a lot of states have been protesting that this bill is against the federal nature, that has been against the federal structure as the constitution imagines in India. And the other part is that the bill does a lot as far as disturbing the status of the minorities is